What is the secret behind driving fun? Compact size, powerful output, optimal power-to-weight ratio. Easier said than done. But who are we? We have 10 years of WRC experience and the widely acclaimed Ioniq 5N. What if we can mix things up and crank it up to 11? Introducing the RN24. Our fearless commitment to break the mold. The Ioniq 5N's motorsports proven powertrain is squeezed into the smallest EV in our lineup. The exoskeleton reduces size, weight, and wheelbase for precise handling response. Why not mimic a rally car's movement with WRC technology? Next, install the same steering ratio as the i20 N-Rally 1 Hybrid. To top it off, turn the volume all the way up. Combining the agility of a rally car and the power of Ioniq 5N. With new software development, we unlock new ways of driving fun. What the RN24 aims to represent is not just the future, but the voice of all car enthusiasts who love driving. We dream about fun cars day and night, but we don't just imagine. We make them into reality. There's just one thing to remember. Never just drive.